Welcome to the Ubuntu tutorial. Ubuntu is an operating system built on Linux, and it is very attractive and consumer friendly operating system which is widely renowned and very popular nowadays. Its version is 12 right now, and they are keep updating that. We are on their website www.ubuntu.com, and from here you'll get Ubuntu. To download it, we'll go to this download section, which will open up this page for us. So here is Get Ubuntu. Ubuntu is completely free to download, use and share. You can download it, install it, and it's all free. You can download Ubuntu Desktop, Ubuntu Server, or Cloud Infrastructure if you want to. For commercial and server use, you can download Ubuntu Server, and if you are planning to do some cloud infrastructure stuff, you can go ahead and check this. But as a consumer, we'll go to download Ubuntu Desktop, and from there you'll be led to this web page. Here, download Ubuntu for your desktop. For the latest features, choose Ubuntu 12.10. So from here, you can either choose 64-bit or 32-bit Ubuntu depending upon your machine, and click on this button. It will start the download. If you are running on a machine that needs long-term support, or if you are interested in long-term support from Ubuntu, you can download a backward version which is 12.04 that comes along with long-term support. The same procedure for 64 and 32-bit operating systems. If you want to install Ubuntu from your Windows, you can download its Windows installer from here. If you wish to buy DVDs from Ubuntu, you can shop the DVDs. Ubuntu is perfect for consumer experience and businesses as well. If you want more information about Ubuntu, you can check their website where what is Ubuntu, make the most of Ubuntu, and this is our command. There are 3 articles and you can go to them and read them in detail. So from here you can purchase Ubuntu desktop DVDs. You can select it from here and shop ahead, and they allow you to pay online and the DVDs will be sent to your address. So this was a quick introduction to Ubuntu. Thank you.